Alright guys, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. As a matter of fact, I appreciate you all. If not for you guys, there's no us, alright? So I want to say a big thank you to you. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, a big thank you to you. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say a big thumbs up to you also. And a quick one, I just want to make you guys to understand this. You see all of these items? Yes, this is how it always looks. Aside the fact that we selling skincare recipe, organic, and cosmetic, all that. Now we have our own product as well. To see all these items, they are for Canada. All right, Canada, there you go. You know, just one of our clients that owns all this one, so they're heading for Canada. You know, we talk about yellow CCI. If it's not working, nobody gonna take which one of it like this, right? So it's working, isn't it? Yellow CC, that's the best content so far, the best lotion, the best face cream, the best face wash, the best face mask, all yellow CC set. You can see all of them. Then you talk about African skin lotion. Yes, African skin lotion. Like I've not told you about African skin lotion, so let me use this medium of time to talk about African skin lotion. It's our own brand. You hear me? Nobody owns that one. It's our own brand. Okay. So African skin lotion, the face cream, and you talk about the body wash, your feet, everything, and all of them in 5 African year and 1 liter. The African skin lotion is still one authentic lotion that for you that have caramel color or you're looking for a glowing skin type, yes, you can use African skin lotion. You see, it doesn't give any rashes, it doesn't give any inflammatories, it doesn't give any hyperpigmentation, it doesn't give, just name it. You know, it still take away dark spot from you. Also, that African skin lotion. We have the face wash and we have the body wash. You know, also all that. I don't want to touch this so that they wouldn't fall off. You see, you can see all of them. They are different color. You see this one, they are body wash too in 1 liters. You see all this one, they are body wash in 1 liters. You know, some of them they are face cleanser. You know, the reason why we didn't put label on it because we selling for them, so they're gonna rebrand. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. I just want to have you to know this, that if you know that you can make all this, you can also come to us. We produce for you, and you said you rebrand, so you rebrand. Like, yeah, there's no I mean rebranding. Instead of you try to do them yourself, you don't even know what is acid. You just hear the name acid. You don't know what acid is. If you really know what is acid is, I think you will always want to avoid taking some risk that I can do it. I can do it. You want to burn people's face. You want to burn their skin. So don't dive into it. Yo, don't be like all those people who just want to. It's not your calling. It's not your calling. You're not used to read. Don't try to dive into it that way. Don't try to impress yourself that you're doing something up with the camera. Repeat. Yes. Don't try to say you want to do something. You want to please yourself. It's not when you please yourself. No. It's not please yourself and displeasing people. We are in here doing this thing. We're solving problems. Don't we just say they're making money, they're making money. We're solving problem. At least all of this I give to you. They work. And then how about this authentic oil? You see, when I talk about, oh, come on, all my oils have it. All my oils, they are well super dopes. Okay? So we have all that. This is African skin oil. You can see the serum, right? This is serum. Okay, then we have the yellow CC one, and we have Shakara oil, we have Blema oil, we have Malawi oils, and all these oils that are on point. So you see all these items, they're going for Canada. And we have other ones at the back of the camera, they're going for the US. So what I'm telling you is this, if you know you can't do them, instead of, why are you bad like this way? Why can't you save your money, the money you used to buy the cosmetic, the skincare, the organic, and all that you want to do, and you're not going to get the right result and waste? Why not pay them, pay some to us, and we produce for you? Because I know you're going to spend huge money to get us cosmetic and get shipped to you, and that money could have really produced them and shipped to you. So why stop wasting money from today? It might look like I'm just talking, it might just sound like a joke, but it's not a joke. Stop wasting money. Alright, you have the right things to use money for. So stop wasting money. Somebody once told you this money When money embrace you, when the spirit of money embrace you, it embrace you. Because if find out that you can utilize it, but at the same time, when the spirit of money find out that you can't utilize it, it's gonna leave you. So don't let your money leave you. Don't let the spirit of money leave you. Utilize it in the right way. Alright? If you want to do all these, fine. You can also place your order on your recipe. We ship everywhere. Wherever you are in Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. Outside the country, in Africa countries, we deliver everywhere. Alright? This is money talking, right? Oh, why this grown-up man is sitting on the floor for all this? And like he don't want it. Oh, forget it. So long I'm doing the right thing, I'm treating people, and it's going well. I'm okay with that. I'm glad. You see? Oh, we all know you used to be an artist. You know, used to be that I used to be. What you see now is real, right? So all these items, they going for Canada, like as I said. So place your order. If you know that you can't do all this yourself, place your order. Place your order. It's really would be favorable. So watch me until I come your way. Yeah, as I come your way. Next time, same time, or next week, as we drop, so because in regular videos I'm gonna drop my review. I just came up with this. So keep coming with the camera, keep coming with the camera, keep coming with the camera, zoom into this, let it see what it see. Okay, bye bye.